Muy buenos días, padres de familia. Bienvenidos a la semana STEAM. Mi nombre es Laura, estoy en octavo y hoy vengo a presentar dos inventos que revolucionaron el mundo. Esperamos se entretengan y aprendan de estos grandes avances. History. During the spring and summer of 1903, they were consumed with living that final hurley into history on December, while bored and overwhelmed, made for brief flights at Kitty Hawk with their first powered aircraft. And this is a video about the first airplane.
The Wright brothers, the first successful airplane, 1903. Wilbur Wright was born on April 16, 1867 in Millville, Indiana, and Orville Wright was born on August 19, 1871 in Dayton, Ohio. Both brothers were pioneers credited with inventing the first airplane. In late 1901, the Wright brothers had gathered the aerodynamic data they needed to build a successful flying machine, and in 1902, the Wright brothers had built their latest glider based on this data. They had identified a wing shape that was efficient, producing the expected lift, and engineered controls that were responsive. The glider would also use a trailing rudder for yaw, therefore enabling the Wright brothers to navigate in the air in all three dimensions. Following this success, the next stage for the brothers was powered flight. No manufacturers could provide an engine light enough and powerful enough for their needs, so the brothers had to design and build their own. The Flyer was designed in a biplane configuration, with a wooden airframe and a wingspan of 12.3 meters, or 40 feet 4 inches. The pilot flew on his stomach on the lower wing, steering by moving a cradle attached to his hips. This cradle pulled wires which warped the wings and turned the rudder. The Wright Flyer 1, based on the previous glider, was set up near Kitty Hawk, North Carolina, in the United States of America on December 17, 1903, where there was a hill and a good breeze. The first flight lasted 12 seconds, traveling 36 meters or 120 feet with Orville piloting. 3 more flights were made on that day, with Wilbur achieving the best flight, covering 255.6 meters or 852 feet in 59 seconds. The Wright brothers had made history with the first successful flight of a controllable, self-propelled, heavier-than-air machine. Over the next few years, the Wright brothers developed new flyers while remaining secretive in an attempt to secure patents and contracts. Subscribe for more history videos. Thank you for all your support on the Simple History YouTube channel. If you enjoy the channel, please consider supporting us at Patreon.
Airplanes are important. They are important because they transport us. They make the distance short, the travels are fast, and they are one of the most safe transport. Bueno, y ya para finalizar, un pequeño resumen en español para aclarar por si alguno no entendió algo o así. Bueno, el tema de hablar fue la aviación, el aeroplano. Hablé sobre su historia, que los hermanos Wright fueron los primeros hombres en lograr que un aparato más pesado que el aire, controlable con un motor, se sostuviera en vuelo. El primer vuelo fue por solo 59 segundos, casi un minuto, en 1903 en la playa de Kitty Hawk, en Ohio, Estados Unidos. Y esto se considera el inicio de la aviación. puse un pequeño video donde hablaba sobre ellos, las medidas que tuvo el avión y todo. El lanzamiento, el avión recorrió unos 40 metros en esos 59 segundos. Y el nombre del avión era Wright Flyer. También quería agregar un factor que fue el primer avión controlado motor, como ya lo dije, pero no fue el primer avión con pasajeros. El primer avión con pasajeros fue creado por Clement Ader el 9 de octubre de 1890, que consigue despegar y volar 50 metros con su Eole. Posteriormente repite la hazaña con el avión 2, que vuela 200 metros en 1892, y el avión 3 en 1897 vuela a una distancia de 300 metros. Muchas gracias por su atención y eso sería todo.